If you use Google Calendar every day, one of the easiest small changes you can make is setting your week to start on Monday instead of Sunday. This is especially helpful if you prefer a more traditional workweek view, if you're planning your schedule for school or business, or if you just want your calendar to match the way you think about your week. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make Google Calendar start on Monday in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Once it loads, look for the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a gear, so click that settings icon to open the menu, then click Settings. This will take you into the full Google Calendar settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Under the General section, click View Options. This is where Google keeps several display settings that control how your calendar looks and behaves. Now look for the option called Start Week On. By default, it may be set to Sunday depending on your region or account settings. Click the drop-down menu and select Monday. As soon as you choose Monday, the change is saved automatically, so there's no need to press a save button or confirm anything else. Now go back to your calendar view and you'll see that your week starts on Monday instead of Sunday. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how organized and natural your calendar feels. If you use Google Calendar for meetings, planning, deadlines, or personal scheduling, this is one of those settings worth changing right away. And that's it. You've successfully changed Google Calendar to start on Monday. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of the channel for more easy Google Calendar tutorials and productivity tips.